Grilling about 6 hours here.
Welcome back. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, Operation Pumpkin in Hamilton, Ohio.
There's a wide one.
This pumpkin could be a contender to take Bubba's state record. The crowd may be chanting. Here we go. If this pumpkin weighs over 2,043, it's from Michigan, it will take my state record. It is grown from the 2624. Matthias Willie Hames from Belgium is the seed.
Here's a real Michigan fans taking it back.
Here we go. This might take the state record and a new site record.
Yep.
What's the record, Mark?
What's that?
What's the record?
My record is 2,043.5 pounds.
Yep, 0.5.
All right. So, time will tell if Josh Larson,
What's the Michigan State record?
2,043.5. It's going down, baby. This one's estimated at 1,969 pounds by the OTT measurement system.
You're gonna find out when I do.
Here's the crowd in Operation Pumpkin on a Friday night, enjoying the Michigan weather in Hamilton, Ohio. All right. Here we go. Come on through. Here we go. They're going to lift her up, check the bottom for any defects. Just drop the pallet and back up. Yeah, the elevator didn't go all the way to the top. Josh is also a member of WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, so this will qualify for cash prizes. There we go. Excuse me.
Yeah. It wasn't real flat. It wasn't. Yeah, it's pretty flat. Yeah, not bad.
There we go. They're bringing her down. The suspense, the anticipation. Did you put on a Depends diaper, Josh? I always recommend it. Highly recommend it. Here we go. Will it beat 2,000? Will it beat Tiny Bubbles, the Bubble Buster? Come on, Dave.
2044.
Oh, you guys are terrible.
Drove all the way down here to get harassed.
Yeah, I drove all the way here to get harassed by some Canfield boys.
That's it.
Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1901! No, it didn't get me. 1901, it went light. Well, Josh,
Bubbles lives.
there's always next year.
Bubbles lives.
Tiny Bubbles didn't.
Bubbles lives.
Bubbles lives on. Thank you very much, Dave. Hey, join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Operation Pumpkin every October. Join us. Talk to you soon. Keep it a secret. And don't you grow no ugly pumpkins.